Lavender, soft purple blooms with a scent that carries both peace and power. Once called elf leaf, Folklore said it could protect against mischievous spirits and even bring prophetic dreams if tucked beneath your pillow. But beyond the legend, modern science shows that lavender reduces anxiety, supports deeper sleep, soothes the skin, and even helps your garden thrive. A flower of myth and medicine. So, let's explore its secrets and make some simple and useful lavender recipes. Hair growth remedies often sound too good to be true, but lavender has evidence behind it. Animal studies show lavender oil can stimulate hair follicles and thicken hair shafts. On the scalp, it supports a healthier environment by reducing dryness and soothing irritation through its natural antimicrobial action. Here's how to make your own lavender hair oil. Add half a cup of fractionated coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of French or Spanish lavender buds. Infuse gently for 1 to 2 hours on low heat. Strain and bottle. It will last about 6 to 12 months in a cool, dark place. Massage a few drops into your scalp 2 to 3 times weekly, a wholesome ritual for healthy, glossy hair. Lavender is gentle but powerful on the skin. Studies show lavender oil helps wounds heal faster by boosting collagen. Creams with lavender reduce eczema severity in children. It calms psoriasis inflammation and even balances acne-prone skin. And as an insect repellent, lavender wards off mosquitoes, moths and lice, a remedy used for centuries. Here's how to make a simple lavender salve at home. Melt a 1/4 cup of the lavender oil we just made with 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Remove from heat. Pour into a small jar and let it set. This will last about 6 months at room temperature. I've been applying it to a few oven burns I managed to get recently. A little clumsy, I know. Here's the before and after from just a few days of using it. Pretty impressive. It's a really soothing balm for eczema, insect bites or dry skin. Definitely a must-try recipe. If there's one thing lavender is famous for, it's sleep. Clinical trials show lavender capsules reduce anxiety symptoms. Inhaled lavender improves sleep quality and helps you fall asleep faster. Its aroma even lowers heart rate and blood pressure during stress. No wonder Folklore said lavender under a pillow brought prescient dreams. And here's a cozy bedtime drink to try tonight. Warm 1 cup of oat milk with 1 teaspoon of English lavender buds. Stir in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of honey. Steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain. And add in a pinch of cinnamon. Creamy, dreamy, and sleep supportive. The perfect nightcap. Lavender doesn't just heal people, it enriches the garden. It thrives in poor sandy soils with little water, making it drought-friendly. Bees and butterflies adore it, turning any patch into a pollinator paradise. And it's so easy to multiply. Take a cutting, strip the lower leaves, tuck it into soil, give it a little water, and soon you'll have endless lavender plants. There are over 45 species and 450 varieties. English lavender is best for teas and syrups, while French and Spanish shine in oils, salves, and insect repellents. Go ahead and give it a go. The pollinators will love you for it. Feeling stressed or bloated? A cup of lavender tea does more than relax you. It gently supports digestion, eases cramps, calms the nerves, and helps you feel lighter. Just steep 1 teaspoon of dried English lavender in 1 cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and sip. Calming for the nerves, soothing for digestion. Here's a tiny batch of lavender syrup you can whip up in minutes. Use it in coffee, tea, or even desserts. It's fragrant, floral, and surprisingly functional. Just heat 4 tablespoons of water and 4 tablespoons of honey. Then add in 1 teaspoon of English lavender buds. Simmer for 2 minutes, then steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, and it's ready. This syrup will last about 2 weeks in the fridge. It's a little bottle of lavender magic ready to sweeten anything. Want the prettiest summer drink ever? Well, lavender lemonade is refreshing, calming, and antioxidant rich. Perfect for hot days, garden parties, or just when you want something a little extra. Mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice over ice with 2 tablespoons of lavender syrup we just made. Top with half a cup of sparkling mineral water and garnish with a lemon slice and lavender sprig. There you have it, refreshment with a floral twist. A bundle of lavender in your cupboard keeps more than just clothes fresh. Sachets repel moths and silverfish, a trick passed down for centuries. Fill small cloth pouches with dried lavender buds. Tuck into drawers, cupboards, or under pillows. I'm adding mine to my cupboard over a clothes hanger. It's just so easy to make and smells incredible. Try it yourself. Lavender is more than beautiful. It's one of nature's most versatile healers. It can calm your mind, soothe skin, strengthen hair, deepen sleep, aid digestion, and even help protect your home and garden. It's medicine, folklore, and everyday wellness, all wrapped up in one periwinkle bloom. I'm Rachel, a naturopath, and on your garden path, I share simple, science-backed tips to make natural health both easy and practical. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more ways to bring nature's best into everyday life.